Ugh. If trying to figure out why YouTube has a channel name and a handle or username, the @username, is giving you a headache, I made this video to break down the differences so you know exactly what each one should be for your channel, as well as how to change it. And there was one major difference between the two of them that you're definitely going to want to know, which I'll tell you about here in just a second. But the best place to start is looking at where each one appears, because it depends on where you are on YouTube, and this might affect your decision of what you want to use in each spot. So we'll start here just on a channel homepage, and this is the YouTube channel name right here, done by Lunch Entrepreneur Jerry Potter. That's my channel name, so yours will appear in the same place. And then underneath where it says @Mr. Jerry Potter, that is the YouTube handle, okay? So on your channel page, both of them will appear, which is great, but other places, not so much. If we pop up here to the top and look at the URL of the channel, that shows the handle. You can see it's youtube.com/@Mr. Jerry Potter. Now, if somebody's watching one of your videos, you'll notice that it shows the name of your channel underneath, but not the handle. But if somebody's watching one of your shorts, it shows your handle at the bottom, but not your channel name. So what do we do with this information? The biggest thing to know about this is your channel name will appear with your videos, your full widescreen videos, and your channel handle will appear in the shorts feed. So that's how I like to look at the two of them strategically, and we'll talk more about how to do that here in just a second. But here's the most important thing that you need to know about YouTube channel names versus handles. Anyone can have the same name, okay? You can see another, you shouldn't, but you could see another YouTube channel out there and then go and create another channel with the exact same name. However, only one channel can have the same handle. So for example, you couldn't go out and say, I want I don't know why you would, but I want @Mr. Jerry Potter to be my handle, because that is already the handle for mine. Another thing to know is they don't have to match. In fact, I'll give you a tip on why you may not want them to match in a second, but my channel name is done by Lunch Entrepreneurs Jerry Potter, and my handle is @Mr. Jerry Potter. So because the handle shows up in the shorts feed prominently, and it doesn't show the channel name, this is where I think you might want to get strategic with your handle. So I want my channel name to be my brand, which it is, but think about somebody who's watching shorts. They didn't necessarily subscribe to you. They don't necessarily know who you are. Your short just came up in their feed. So I think the handle is an opportunity to come up with something that's maybe curiosity inducing, might make somebody want to learn more. So let's say I had a channel for teachers. My channel name might be whatever the brand is for teachers, but I might make my handle that shows up in shorts something like @Tips for Modern Teachers, because I'm imagining somebody swiping through, and let's say they see a video they like, they're like, oh, that's cool. They see tips for modern teachers, and, you know, assuming teachers want to stay modern and stay up with the latest, they might actually click on that, go check out the channel, and subscribe. So just something to consider when you're deciding what should be your username and what should be your channel name. Now, how often can you change them is a question that comes up a lot. Let me show you how to change them and where to set them if you haven't yet, or if you want to change them, and then we'll cover that as well. Oh, and by the way, you know that the channel name and the handle are only 2 of the 14 areas of a YouTube channel that you can optimize. If you want to make sure you have all of the areas optimized to be found in search and convert visitors into subscribers and possibly buyers, check out my free checklist to make sure you've got them all. You can find it in the description of this video. So from anywhere on YouTube, you can just click on your profile picture on the upper right and then choose YouTube Studio. You can also just go to studio.youtube.com. And then you're going to click on customization here on the left and scroll down just a little bit here, and you'll see your channel name and your handle. Now, to change the channel name, you just click this little pencil and you can change it to whatever you want. Now, my channel's verified, so if I change it, I have to re-verify it. I'm not going to do that, but you can go ahead and change it. And it's not that hard to get re-verified, even if you are verified. Important to know, you can change your channel name twice every 14 days. So they're pretty liberal about how often they'll let you change it. Then to change your handle, you're not going to get that warning in here or anything. You can just go down here and just type in what you want it to be. So let's say instead I wanted mine to be done by lunch, right? To go along with my brand. So I just got a check mark here. It is available. No, I'm not going to change it because I have @Mr. Jerry Potter on all the other social platforms. But all you have to do is keep typing something in until you get that green check mark, and then come up here into the corner and click on that black publish button, and it will save your changes. If you don't want to save them, you can just hit that cancel button. I'd love to know, is your handle different than your channel name? It'd just be cool to see what people are doing here in our community. Let me know down in the comments, and while you're there, check out that optimization checklist of all 14 areas of your YouTube channel you're going to want to make sure to optimize so you can get the most views and visitors possible, all right? I'll see you in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.